gosh, I feel so freaking sweet today, man. Bliss, bliss, bliss. God become you. You become part of God. You become a mini God. You become an extension of God, a subset, a secondary, a part of a whole. You know, you become non-dualistic. You know, you and God become non-dualistic. You know, dualism postulates that there are rigid distinctions between mind and body. You know, monism postulates that these rigid distinctions are part of the same phenomenon, of epiphenomenon, but non-duality is a fascinating phenomenon because non-duality...
Look at this view. Look at this immaculate... Oh, ha!
That is like a football field. Oh gosh, I feel so freaking sweet today, man.